the big picture. Okay. And that's what I'm here to give you the big picture. Okay. So think about it, what you would do with that 75. Think about it. Okay. Pause it and come up with an answer and hit play. And if you get this answer, you're a genius. Okay. You're a genius. If you get this answer, what you do is you take that amount and you go build another city. Woo-hoo! You take that amount and you build another city with that amount. That's all profit anyway. Doing the same thing in two cities. Okay? Stacking your bread. Then guess what? You build another city. Next thing you know, you're building your empire. That's the big picture, man. That's the big picture, man. Don't get caught up where you start at. It's where you finish at. Okay? My goal is this would make me a happy man. Somebody did this strategy and became a billionaire. That would be my ultimate goal of making this video. Giving away for free. You know what I mean? Not worry about anything. Okay? Because ultimately, I don't want to get all spiritual, but I understand the two most important relationships. Your relationship with God and your relationship with people. Ain't got nothing to do with you. So if you're good with the people, man, you good. So I made this for the people to prosper off of. You know what I mean? Absolutely free for the people, man. And once your money is making money, you're into the money making mindset. Okay. All right. So the only thing I need you to do is follow, like, follow, like, and repeat. That's it, man. Okay? If you got people around you that want you to get bread, you share this video. If you don't, keep it to yourself then. Because you're going to bless other people. You're going to spread this information. Okay? All right? Got it both ways for you. You know what I'm saying? That's like, if you want to get gut and grimy, I got the black on white for you too. Come mess with a boy. Money making money mindset. Mr. Buy More. Follow me, Twitter. You know what I'm saying? You have any questions, hit me, hit me on the web. Okay. None of this stuff is up right now, but it will be. Okay. It will be. Okay. Go to the website, grab you some merch, support. You know what I'm saying? That's all you gotta do, man. Follow, like, and support, man. That's it. Okay. And the world is yours, man. 2 fingers. Okay. Mr. Buy More. Because what do I do when the stock is falling?